Hey guys, welcome back to the Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to find the Discord ID on mobile. So guys, I have some practical tips for you. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Discord application into your device. And now, once you have done that, you would just simply select you at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you can just simply go for the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you would just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see here advanced. So tap on advanced over here, the gear icon, and make sure the developer mode is turned on. Now, once you have done that, you just simply go back to the home and go to one of your server where you have a message with. And for example, here I have a message. I'm just going to simply tap on my profile. And from here, we will have the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you will have an option, copy user ID. Now, once you have copied that, you could just simply go ahead and go to any text or messages. And from here, as you can see, when I paste the link, it will be our Discord ID. So pretty much from here, you should be able to find your Discord ID. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.